Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will let to show to you the way how you can protect your private photo and how the way you can hide your photo into the hidden album on iPhone. So this tutorial is quite basic, so if you already got like a lot of pictures that it could be like privacy for you, you can just hide it just to prevent that people going to see those pictures on your photo library. Now the thing that you have to do is just go open your photos. Right after that, you just need to find the pictures that you want to hide. Let's say I will let to hide this picture. Now you just need to tap into the picture and go click these three small dots over it, and there will be like a lot of options, and one of them could be hide. Just go tap into the hide and confirm that you want to hide the picture. Those pictures will be automatically removed from your primary album. And how to find them back, you just need to go tap into this album, and then you'll just need to like scrolling down, and there will be like utilities here. So you just need to go click into this hidden. So there will be need and access of your face ID. So just to make sure that the person that access this hidden album is the owner from this phone. So basically that is the way how you can hide the picture, the private picture on iPhone. Hopefully you enjoy it guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.